Soft, warm lights glow from the windows, creating a warm ambience against the fading light of the day. The scene is enhanced by a winding stone path leading to the home, bordered by well-maintained bushes, lavender, and vibrant plants. The architecture showcases a gabled roof and a prominent stone chimney, emphasizing a harmony of nature and craftsmanship. A quaint, lush garden scene enclosed by a rustic wooden picket fence, exuding a charming and serene ambience. The fence, weathered and gray, creates a backdrop for a vibrant array of flowers in full bloom, including cheerful marigolds in bright orange, pink petunias, and sunflower heads stretching towards the sun. A central area features a stone pathway leading to a circular sitting space, surrounded by potted plants bursting with color. The earthy tones of the dirt ground contrast with the vivid greens of leaves, while gentle sunlight filters through the trees, casting soft shadows. A serene, modern outdoor garden with a minimalist wooden pergola, surrounded by lush greenery. The scene is set in a peaceful evening glow, showcasing a harmonious blend of natural elements and sleek design. Soft, ambient lighting highlights the warm wooden seating area, adorned with plush cushions in neutral and vibrant colors. Pathways made of smooth pebbles lead to raised garden beds filled with an array of vibrant flowers, including purple and orange hues, creating a striking contrast against the muted gray concrete planters. A serene outdoor scene showcasing a beautifully designed modern cabin with a stone chimney, surrounded by lush greenery. The setting features a cozy patio adorned with comfortable wicker chairs and soft cushions, arranged around a central inviting fireplace. The pathway is crafted from large slate stones interspersed with smooth river pebbles, leading through vibrant flower beds filled with sunflowers and bright yellow blooms, adding a cheerful contrast. The background is dominated by tall trees and a misty atmosphere, casting a soft diffused light over the entire scene, enhancing its tranquil and inviting ambience. A cozy, rustic garden scene featuring a charming wooden cottage with warm, glowing windows, surrounded by lush greenery. The cottage has a steep, shingled roof and a stone chimney, exuding a natural, inviting vibe. The garden is meticulously designed with raised wooden beds filled with vibrant lavender, interspersed with various shrubs and colorful flowers. Soft, warm lighting illuminates the pathways made of irregular stone pavers, leading through a gravel landscape. The atmosphere is serene and tranquil, enhanced by the early evening light creating a gentle glow. A tranquil evening scene in a modern outdoor garden, showcasing a beautifully designed pathway lined with smooth stones and illuminated by soft, warm lights. The pathway is flanked by lush lavender plants in vibrant purple hues, interspersed with patches of green foliage. In the background, a contemporary house with wooden accents and large windows emanates a welcoming glow from the interior lights, reflecting a cozy atmosphere. The sky gradually transitions from soft blue to hints of lavender and peach as dusk sets in, creating a serene and inviting ambience. Modern residential exterior, showcasing a contemporary house with large glass windows and sliding doors. The structure features a combination of wood and black metallic elements, blending seamlessly with a lush garden setting. The evening ambience is enhanced by warm lighting spilling from inside, illuminating the elegant interior. The surrounding garden is well manicured, with vibrant orange, yellow, and purple flowers contrasting against the green foliage. Potted plants add a touch of color by the seating area, which includes stylish outdoor chairs. House nestled in a lush garden filled with vibrant flowers, featuring a weathered white fence that lines a meandering stone path leading to the entrance. The scene reflects a hyper-realistic aesthetic, capturing intricate details of the flora and the rustic charm of the cottage. The house boasts a sloping, rusty tin roof with a mix of greens and browns in the surrounding plants. Bright orange black-eyed Susans contrast beautifully with purple and pink blooms scattered throughout the garden. Soft, natural lighting highlights the greenery, while a few clouds drift overhead, adding depth to the serene rural setting. Power lines subtly stretch across the background, bringing a hint of modernity to the idyllic scene. A rustic garden scene featuring a weathered wooden cabin adorned with potted flowers, set in a lush garden filled with vibrant blooms. The cabin has a charming, inviting quality with large windows framed by cascading pots of colorful petunias and fuchsias, while wooden planters overflow with marigolds and daisies in warm oranges and yellows. A curved pathway of wooden planks leads through the garden, bordered by green foliage and ornamental grasses. The overall atmosphere is tranquil and inviting, with a soft, diffused light filtering through the trees, creating a hyper-realistic aesthetic. A charming rustic garden scene featuring a two-story wooden house with a sloping roof, surrounded by lush greenery and vibrant flower beds. The walkway is made of arranged stones leading through a beautifully manicured garden filled with blooming flowers in shades of orange, red, and white. More flower beds are seen in neat, raised wooden planters, adding to the idyllic atmosphere. The house displays a quaint, homely appearance with a porch and various plants intertwining around it. The background is filled with tall trees, providing a sense of seclusion and tranquility. A serene garden scene during the golden hour, featuring a rustic wooden shed at the center. The shed has a warm, earthy tone, decorated with vibrant flowers in window boxes. Surrounding the shed, raised garden beds overflow with an array of colorful flowers and lush greenery, including sunflowers, marigolds, and blooming herbs. A winding gravel path leads through the garden, flanked by flourishing plant life, with soft, diffused sunlight casting gentle shadows. The atmosphere is tranquil and inviting, capturing the essence of an idyllic countryside retreat, with hyper-realistic details that highlight the rich textures of the wooden structure and the vivid colors of the blossoms. Modern coastal home situated on a scenic hillside, showcasing a blend of natural materials and contemporary design. The architecture features large glass windows framed by warm wood and sleek stone, creating a harmonious connection with the outside landscape. Surrounding the house, a vibrant garden is filled with lush greenery, blooming lavender, and pops of orange flowers. A stone pathway leads to a tranquil pool that reflects the soft evening light, enhancing the serene atmosphere. The sky transitions from soft blue to gentle dusk hues, emphasizing the peaceful ambience. Modern eco-friendly house surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a blend of large glass windows and wooden accents. The setting is a serene garden with various plants and succulents adorning the facade, creating an organic feel. The interior is warm and inviting, with wooden furnishings, soft lighting, and a cozy living space visible through the windows. The overall design is hyper-realistic, showcasing rich details and vibrant colors, from the deep greens of the vegetation to the warm browns of the wood and the cool grays of the structure. A modern, minimalist house surrounded by dense, lush greenery in a tranquil forest setting, illuminated by warm, inviting orange light emanating from large floor-to-ceiling windows. The architecture features sleek lines and extensive use of glass and dark wood, seamlessly blending into the natural environment. A serene pond with floating lily pads and smooth stones reflects the house's elegant structure, while a carefully manicured garden adds to the sense of calm. The atmosphere is misty and slightly overcast, evoking a sense of mystery and peace. A modern, minimalist house surrounded by dense, lush greenery in a tranquil forest setting, illuminated by warm, inviting orange light emanating from large floor-to-ceiling windows. The architecture features sleek lines and extensive use of glass and dark wood, seamlessly blending into the natural environment. A serene pond with floating lily pads and smooth stones reflects the house's elegant structure, while a carefully manicured garden adds to the sense of calm. The atmosphere is misty and slightly overcast, evoking a sense of mystery and peace. Modern architectural home surrounded by lush greenery, featuring a flat roof design and large glass windows that reflect the warm glow of the setting sun, evoking a serene and tranquil atmosphere. The exterior is accented with natural stone and rich textures, while the patio includes comfortable lounge furniture and a variety of potted plants. A peaceful garden area is visible with smooth stones and soft landscaping, creating an inviting, harmonious aesthetic. A serene, modern outdoor living space that embodies a harmonious blend of nature and architecture, featuring a sleek, contemporary house with large glass windows and a wooden overhang. The scene is bathed in warm, golden light of a late afternoon, casting soft shadows and enhancing the inviting atmosphere. The garden landscaping includes lush greenery, carefully arranged flower beds with vibrant orange flowers, and well-placed boulders among pebbled pathways. A cozy, oversized couch adorned with soft cushions sits on a wooden deck, creating a perfect relaxation spot. A modern three-story house immersed in nature, showcasing an architectural blend of concrete and glass. The exterior is adorned with lush greenery and climbing vines, creating a seamless integration with the surrounding landscape. The setting is tranquil, framed by mountains in the background under a soft twilight sky. Warm golden light emanates from large floor-to-ceiling windows, hinting at the cozy interiors that feature natural wood elements and minimalist decor. The foreground is filled with vibrant autumn foliage, adding a burst of orange and yellow hues to the scene. Modern architectural masterpiece set in a serene forest environment during twilight. The house features a sleek, angular design with large glass windows that reflect warm golden lights from inside, creating a cozy yet elegant atmosphere. The exterior is a harmonious blend of white concrete and natural wood accents, contrasting beautifully with the lush greenery of the surrounding trees. A tranquil reflecting pool runs alongside the house, mirroring its modern lines and the vibrant sky above, filled with soft blues and hints of orange. Lush landscaping with subtle path lighting and diverse plant life enhances the overall aesthetic, inviting a sense of peace and sophistication. Modern concrete architectural design blending with nature, 2 levels with large glass windows revealing a warm, inviting interior, lush greenery surrounding the structure, tranquil reflecting pool in the foreground, earthy tones of concrete contrasted with vibrant greenery, soft ambient lighting illuminating the interiors, serene outdoor setting with tall trees and subtle landscaping. Minimalist furniture visible through the glass, emphasizing harmony between modern architecture and natural elements, hyperrealistic aesthetic, capturing the tranquil essence of a luxurious retreat in a forested environment. Modern house in a lush tropical forest setting, featuring an open concept design with large glass windows and a dark metal frame, blending with nature, showcasing smooth stone accents, warm ambient lighting, and luxurious outdoor seating arranged on a wooden deck surrounded by vibrant greenery, details of potted plants and tropical foliage, with hints of soft natural light filtering through the trees.